part 2, and this is a, for my sisters, this is a lot of TOMICA with a new battery, brand new battery. You see the dots over there? I can't see that. Sorry, this is not the flash. This is the flash one, so I can't look at the flash one. So my sister was looking at, you see, LED version. My mother speaks Spanish. You talk. So here is again new custom. This is a from a battery, and we see the light with the bouncing. Where's the flash one? Somebody let's see the flash one. Where's the flash? Tommy want a flash one. Cover it. My sister was here. Let's get the shirt up. This is a Trackmaster version of the brown plastic. The truck. This is a blue plastic trucks. Comes with the side motor. And it was chased with all the those bugs. Was good. They powered up. They bought Thomas. Well, Thomas the Tank Engine. We see the light up. By the double batteries. There's constant baterias de Thomas the Tank Engine. See these. This one I bought this. And did that in a custom. Go! Go, sister, go! This is a light over there, all the lights. Comes with another. With custom laser, light up. Tommy. This comes with the. Oh my god! Isn't. Oh my god. No, no, the upside and upside. Make a trucks to make a. Put this right here on the tops and make a. Right there on the tops without. Like this on the top. Thanks so much, guys. See you, and I'll beat this one without the bugs. Have a good night.